And thank you for choosing this image through the community survey. And I let it dry the day after. And I just didn't like the way the overall appearance, the color. So here's what I'm doing here. So let's try something different here. All right, so Vincent Van Gogh is about to make a phone call to his brother on his iPhone. As you can see, he needs more paint for this month. And as I'm using this rubber tip brush, be sure to watch this video till the end for some bonus feature. And thank you for choosing this image through the community survey. So this is the final image that you guys have chosen for me to work on. So, and I let it dry the day after. And I just didn't like the way the overall appearance, the color, it just seemed not as saturated as I would like. So yeah, I'm not sure. Sometimes you guys like this. You guys can, I put up a little community, another survey with, let's just call this a version 1 of it. And the second one I'm about to show you, let's call this a version 2. I wasn't very happy with the way the overall look and feel of it. So here's what I'm doing here. So let's try something different here with a little dark brown, gray, and little light beige and white. Mixing these colors in together and just trying to see what happens. Just palette knife, one clean swipe, and like I said, I didn't like the saturation, the way the overall color was saturated. It just kind of looks kind of faded for this version 1. So I'm on top of that. I'm giving myself a second chance in life, second chance with this painting. Little different process, you know, and so I'm kind of reworking the background here with a combination of dark brown, gray, and beige, and using the tip of this palette knife, just making some little interesting texture with scratching action here. So I kind of like the way it was I kind of like the way the colors, overall colors, were appearing. So I'm just continuing on with this version 2 of it. And Vincent Van Gogh, yeah, he was, if he didn't have the support of his brother Theo, who was an art dealer from what I understand. And both of them had a very close relationship with one another. And here I'm just gonna use a little dark brown with a lighter orange, yellow, just to kind of highlight the hair portion of it. Is it a perfect painting? No, it's just, but I do like the fact that I'm trying out different things, and as you can see, I'm trying it out for the first time. And so here I am, just adding an extra white and yellow paint on top, just to give a little bit of extra highlight. Although it's not a perfect painting, but for this pop art, but I am happy with the process of coming up with a little different way of utilizing the paint, applying it with this special palette knife. If I can inspire you to find your own unique signature through the failures and setbacks that I'm experiencing, trying a lot of these painting techniques for the first time, yeah, that would make me feel really good. So comment below if you like the way this painting is heading towards. And as you can see, I like to clean on the palette. Be sure to clean this palette knife after each paint application. And as I wrap this thing up, yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm happy with the overall look and feel of it. I'm especially, like I said, happy with the fact that I was able to try out new techniques in applying paint. And I think that next time I do this, I think I can produce a better result for you. This is the bonus feature of my youngest daughter, but way back when, several years ago. She was just learning to crawl and furniture walking, about to furniture walk for the first time.
Look at me.